Tim Orth here with TLC Pressure Washing, and I'm back here in this Murfreesboro home. We did the driveway last week at the end of the week, and now today on Monday we're back here because the homeowner wants the deck prepped for a restaining or repainting. I'm not sure what they got on it. They've got something. It's a pretty good product. It's holding up pretty well. What we're doing is we're coming in with a soap mixture to kill the mold and mildew, and very, very, very light pressure because it's not peeling, it's not chipping, it's not flaking. So I just want to clean it. I want to brighten it with, and I'm not actually brightening the wood, I'm brightening the paint or the stain with just the cleaning. Make it look cleaner and brighter, nicer when it dries. But we're not using pressure to knock things off. I'm not prepping it of that nature because it's pretty good product that whatever they use. So if she comes in and puts another coat on it, it'll look great. If not, it won't be no big deal because it'll look good even when I get done. Tim Orth, TLC Pressure Washing, stain or paint prep for a deck or fence.